2014 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, front bucket seats, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.